Hello everybody, this is Uvie and I'm back again bringing you with my third challenge from the Skillshare workshop I've been taking. If you don't know about that, I spoke about it in my last two challenges, my challenge 1 and my challenge 2. So go to the link below in my description box and watch my previous challenges and you get what I'm talking about. It's all about Skillshare and honing and nurturing my digital art skills. That's what I'm doing here. This is a 14-day challenge and today is day 3, and the topic for this challenge is taking it slow. So in this illustration which I did in my previous challenge, this is what I drew in my previous challenge, and from this illustration I'm going to be taking it slow, which means I'm going to be designing the clouds, adding some patterns to the clouds, some Zentangle patterns. I tell you guys, this was really a tedious job for me. When I mean tedious, I'm not so patient, and this was a real challenge because I had to really take my time and draw each stroke on this cloud. And do you know how many clouds there are here? This took me a while to finish up, guys. I know I'm drawing digitally, but still, I had to, challenge myself. The title is Taking It Slow, and I really took my time to design each cloud with this Zentangle pattern. It's called Zentangle for a reason. It's meant to relax you. So what I just did was turn on my Spotify playlist, my Lofi chill playlist, and listen to some chilled music and just draw away, Well, it was challenging, I will tell you. It looks simple, but it was challenging. When I mean challenging, I mean the time, guys. But it was a good exercise. So guys, like always, I always say, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube, my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Pinterest. Show some love, guys. And stay tuned for day 4. Ciao, guys.